What is healthy food for kids? Healthy food for school-age children includes a wide variety of fresh foods from the 5 food groups: vegetables, fruit, grain foods, reduced fat, dairy, protein. Each food group has different nutrients, which your child's body needs to grow and work properly. That's why we need to eat a range of foods from across all 5 food groups. Fruit and vegetables. Fruit and veggies give your child energy, vitamins, antioxidants, fiber and water. These nutrients help to protect your child from diseases later in life, including diseases like heart disease, stroke and some cancers. Encourage your child to choose fruit and vegetables at every meal and for snacks. This includes fruit and veggies of different colors, textures and tastes, both fresh and cooked. Wash fruit to remove dirt or chemicals and leave any edible skin on, because the skin contains nutrients too. Grain foods. Grain foods include bread, pasta, noodles, breakfast cereals, couscous, rice, corn, quinoa, polenta, oats and barley. These foods give children the energy they need to grow, develop and learn. Grain foods with a low glycemic index, like whole grain pasta and breads, will give your child longer-lasting energy and keep them feeling fuller for longer. Reduced fat dairy foods. Key dairy foods are milk, cheese and yogurt. These foods are good sources of protein and calcium. Try to offer your child different kinds of dairy each day, for example, drinks of milk, cheese slices, or bowls of yogurt. Children aged over 2 years can have reduced fat dairy products. If you're thinking of giving your child dairy alternatives, it's best to talk to your family health doctor. Protein. Protein-rich foods include lean meat, fish, chicken, eggs, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and nuts. These foods are important for your child's growth and muscle development. These foods also contain other useful vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Iron and omega-3 fatty acids from red meat and oily fish are particularly important for your child's brain development and learning. Healthy drinks, water. Water is the healthiest drink for children. It's also the cheapest. Most tap water is fortified with fluoride for strong teeth too. Foods and drinks to limit. It's best to limit the amount of sometimes food your child eats. This means your child will have more room for healthy, everyday foods. Sometimes foods include fast food, takeaway, and junk food like hot chips, potato chips, dim sims, pies, burgers, and takeaway pizza. They also include cakes, chocolate, lollies, biscuits, donuts, and pastries. Sometimes foods can be high in salt, saturated fat and sugar, and low in fiber. Regularly eating these foods can increase the risk of health conditions like childhood obesity and type 2 diabetes. You should also limit your child's sweet drinks. This includes fruit juice, cordials, sports drinks, flavored waters, soft drinks, and flavored milks. Sweet drinks are high in sugar and low in nutrients. Too many sweet drinks can lead to unhealthy weight gain, obesity, and tooth decay. These drinks fill your child up and can make them less hungry for healthy meals. If children regularly have sweet drinks when they're young, it can kick off an unhealthy lifelong habit. Foods and drinks with caffeine aren't recommended for children because caffeine stops the body from absorbing calcium well. Caffeine is also a stimulant, which means it gives children artificial energy. These foods and drinks include coffee, tea, energy drinks, and chocolate. Healthy alternatives for snacks and desserts. Encourage your child to choose snacks from the healthy food groups. This can include things like nuts, cheese, low-fat yogurt, and fresh fruit or vegetables, for example, carrot and celery sticks with dips like hummus, guacamole, or tzatziki. The same goes for dessert at the end of a meal. Sliced fruit or yogurt are healthy options. If you want to serve something special, try homemade banana bread. Save the seriously sweet stuff, like cakes and chocolate, for special occasions like birthdays.